Hi there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you one of my favorite blankets. I really love this throw blanket by Madison Park. I really appreciate the softness of it, that it's oversized, so it's great for not only me, but also for my husband. I really appreciate that this is super nice to use whenever you're watching a movie. The design is very unique and beautiful, so it'll even give that beautiful touch to your living room if you decide to leave it there. Something I also like about this is that it's lightweight, so this is perfect for year round. And something very convenient as well is that it's machine washable. This throw blanket by Madison Park would make the perfect gift for any friends, loved one, or for yourself. So if you're looking for a blanket that's soft and that's practical for traveling or just to have in your living room, I highly recommend this one, and that is my point of view.